We've always valued hands-on learning with the students, but these new labs allow us to take the demand for aerospace today. With ECoRE, we had the opportunity to look at where the future of aerospace is going and where our department is especially strong. These new facilities rival anything at any other university in the world.
The future of aerospace is exceedingly bright. If you take a look, for instance, at what's happening in aeronautics and the revolutions in drones, we're building supersonic airplanes again in this country. So we're flying farther, faster, higher. An integrated, collaborative, engineering center like this one is super important for students to see as they're in a simulation of the real world during their university time. This place is first rate.
Penn State is one of 3 vertical lift centers of excellence in the United States.
We have a large motion-based rotorcraft simulator, an indoor flight facility for drones and autonomous vehicles, a huge rotorcraft test stand, and an anechoic chamber where we can measure the noise of vehicles, and we can do it with them in flight because the anechoic chamber has in it itself a wind tunnel.
We have 4 brand new wind tunnels. The students also have access to the Engineering Advising Center in this building, as well as the Center for Engineering Outreach and Inclusion.
My lab specifically is an adverse environment chamber where I spin up to 20-foot diameter rotors inside of a freezer. I can make a cloud around this rotor, controlling the liquid water content, so we can evaluate the effects of rain on the coatings of the blade, and then what happens when you go back to icing. We have a very cool facility by the airport, which is compressed air to reproduce full Reynolds numbers on small sections. That's what these facilities give you, the capability to have hands-on knowledge to the students and apply what they're learning in the classroom in an actual application.
There's just a lot of moving parts in aerospace problems, and I think this building, having all these different departments on separate floors, I feel like it's never been easier for cross-departmental collaboration to happen.
I think one of the biggest things that sets Penn State's Aerospace Engineering program apart is the professors and their passion for the subject. I can really feel it in lecture that the professors that I have are really excited about the subject that they're teaching, and it presents in their work. I also was inspired to start taking flight lessons because of the aerospace program, so I'm currently a student pilot over at the State College Airport, and that has been a really great opportunity for me as well.
The capstone experience that I did here at Penn State actually led to me meeting the people who offered me my first job. And that's how I got in the door at NASA, and that's how I began my career. Penn State prepared me very well.
Having an experience of community that sparks all sorts of ideas, ranging from those modeled by the raw physics of Newton's laws to those that are described by the electronics and avionics, to those that go to modeling transportation flows. Seeing all these ideas coming to light, that is rare to find in university.